Hi everyone, so I wanted to make this video as short, sweet, and simple as I can. Someone recently commented on my Sarah wallet review and overview video asking where the date code for this wallet is. And if I'm going to be completely honest with everyone, I didn't even know where the date code was on this wallet myself. But my little understanding of the date code on LV luxury items is that you'll basically know a little bit more about your bag or your item, specifically where it was made, when, and what year it was made in. So when I saw the comment on the review video, I took out my wallet and proceeded to look for the date code on my wallet itself. I started from the back of the wallet and worked my way to the front, looking at all the compartments and card slots that was in the wallet. I even looked in the compartments that were in between the wallet. I also looked into the coin pouch as well, and the date code was nowhere to be found inside those compartments in the wallet. However, I was finally able to find it, and when I did, I basically thought to myself that it was right there in front of me, but it was also the hardest thing to find. Anyways, I will try not to confuse you all too bad. The date code for the Sarah wallet is going to be on the right side of the wallet. It is going to be on the top card slot on the right side of the Sarah wallet. For my wallet specifically, the date code was on the top card slot on the right side. I will try to give you guys a better view of it. Please keep in mind that it was really hard to get the date code to show up clearly on the camera. I had to adjust my exposure up and down a lot. And then my camera also didn't want to focus for some reason. So I do apologize in advance for that. Like I stated previously, my date code was on the top right card slot and it was on the right side. It is basically on the interior side of the card slot. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but my date code reads SD2125. For the letters of your date code, you can go online and you'll easily be able to find what country your letters stand for. Well, why is the date code so important? Well, it's important to you if you want to know a little bit more about your bag. It's also good to keep in mind that the date code is just one of the many parameters to check the authenticity of your bag. So I hope this video was helpful. If you found your date code on your wallet, please give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends who have Sarah wallets. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!